The average age of X students of a class is 12 years. If 15 more students with the average age of 15 years are added, the new average is become 30 years. What is the value of X? X students average 12 years. Total value 12x. Total average age 12x. If 15 students average age 15 years. Total value total age 15 into 15 225. Okay, 15 years are added, the new average becomes 30 years. So total value 12x plus 225 plus x students plus 15 more students are added, that average become 13 years. So 12x plus 225 is equal to 13 into x. 13x plus 15 into 13 195. X is equal to 12x ఇక్కడ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 12x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಆದರೆ 1x. 195 minus 225 minus 195 0 2 plus 1 3. X value 30. X value, how many members in the X value? What is the value of X? 30. Option C right answer.